Welcome back to the English classroom. My name is Nisha and today's session is a practice session on prepositions. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I have linked the prepositions video to clear any doubts you have. Also, do not forget to comment your score in the comment section. Let us now begin with the practice exercise. My sister's birthday is dash June. Your options are on, in, at, for. My sister's birthday is in June. Second, I get paid dash the end of the month. Options are at, in, for or to. The correct answer is I get paid at the end of the month. I have got a meeting dash Monday morning. Options are in, on, at, for. I have got a meeting on Monday morning. I met him dash the afternoon. On, at, in or to. What is the correct option? I met him in the afternoon. He looked for the information dash the internet. In, on, at or to. He looked for the information on the internet. There is a beautiful painting dash the wall. Options are at, on, in or to. The correct answer is there is a beautiful painting on the wall. We are going dash Italy. Options are in, to, at or on. The correct answer is we are going to Italy. There is someone dash the door. Options are in, at, on or to. The correct answer is there is someone at the door. My next English lesson is dash Friday. At, in, on or to. What's the correct answer? The answer is my next English lesson is on Friday. The last one. I went to bed dash midnight. Options are at, in, on, to. I went to bed at midnight. Here are all the sentences that we discussed today. Hope you liked today's video. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Tune into the channel for more practice sessions. Until then, happy learning.